video, I'm going to share with you a very genuine freelancing opportunity with well-known company is RWS. So if you are looking for a remote work in AI data annotation, image processing or other AI training roles, so this video is for you. Don't skip any part because I will guide you step by step how to apply, what the process looks like and how to pay out works. Okay, so first of all, let's talk about the company. So RWS is a global leader in translation, AI training, and localization service. They work with some of the biggest name in tech and business to help improve artificial intelligence system. This means you will often see jobs related to AI, training projects, data labeling, image processing, audio transcriptions, and language related roles. So the company is completely genuine and thousands of freelancers across the world are already working with them. So now how to apply? So basically आप LinkedIn से भी डायरेक्टली अप्लाई कर सकते हो. सो यहाँ पे सिंपली आपको जॉब्स पे क्लिक करना है या अदरवाइज आप उनके डायरेक्टली ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट पे जा सकते हो. Okay, so this is the website of RWS. So I have already added in my description, so you can directly click and apply there. Okay, so just you have to click on the career. Okay, so here are you can see RWS global opportunities, localization opportunities, and RWS campus and all. So just you have to click on train AI project. So ये basically freelancing के लिए होता है. Okay, just I'm giving overview. So what type of work role is there? So basically AI data annotation, image and video processing, so language data annotation, audio transcription, search engine evolution and AI training जो subjects या फिर जो language को लेके होते हैं basically वहाँ पे वर्क होता है. Okay, so this is the website of RWS. Just you have to filter out your location. Just I am from India, so I have selected New Delhi, and there are the two jobs. Okay, one is image processing, so you can apply here. I am not sure it's the they are onboarding or not, but you can apply it. Okay, so I will tell you how to apply. Okay, and which type of resume you have to add. So don't worry about that. So what they are looking for freelancer image processing specialist who are experienced with the image editing tools and intermediate to advanced Photoshop or any other image editing software skills. ठीक है, सो जस्ट बेसिक है, ऐसा कुछ रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है. तो सिंपल वर्क होता है यहाँ पे. जस्ट क्योंकि जितने भी एआई टीचिंग वर्क है मोस्टली इजी होते हैं. जस्ट आपको गाइडलाइंस फॉलो करते आनी चाहिए और उनका जो भी कंडीशंस है, जो भी रिक्वायरमेंट्स है, आपको वो फुलफिल करते आना चाहिए. तब आपको अच्छा फीडबैक भी आएगा और आपको फिर कंटिन्यूसली टास्क मिलते रहेंगे. Okay, now about the job work location is completely remote. Okay, start is immediately job location requirement. So it's a very basic thing. I hope you have. Okay, now just you have to click on apply for the jobs. Okay, just you have to attach your resume, full name, email, phone, current locations, current company. If you are working, just must add your LinkedIn URL. uh, then portfolio Twitter you can add, image processing specialist in India currently you can add India. Okay, so the sorry basic thing additional information you can add, otherwise you can skip and just click on the S and just submit the application. Okay, so this is a very easy application. I hope you will get it. Okay, so now other one is search engine evaluator. So, okay, this one is also good, 4 USD per hour. Okay, it's completely location India, work from home. Role description is RWS group as a evaluator, enhance search engine results, provide a feedback on text, audio, image, videos, refine AI data and by major search engines. ठीक है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, सब बेसिक वर्क है. जस्ट आपको बस उनका कुछ असेसमेंट रहेगा, आपको बस क्लियर करना है, देन आपको कम्प्लीटली लाइव वर्क मिलेगा. ओके, सो सारे बेसिक डिटेल्स है अबाउट द वर्क बेनिफिट्स. ओके, now I am moving to the back. So here is one more location available for India is Assam. Okay, so here one more freelancing work available for the freelancers who from the Assam or who knows the this language who can apply. So just I am clicking on the apply. वो लोग अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. सो बेसिकली इसका पे आउट अच्छा है, 15 USD पर आवर. सो सिंपल वर्क है, जस्ट हेल्प टू AI. Okay, so in this project you will be perform language identification task review. ठीक है, so basically सबसे पहले आपको तो टेस्ट क्लियर करना है अप्लाई करने के बाद जो आपको मेल में आएगा. Okay, So after apply you will get a mail like this. Just you have to click on the here, and here is the one more language knowledge test. So it's based on the English language assessment जो आपको क्लियर करना है. उसके बाद फिर आपको नेक्स्ट स्टेप बताया जाएगा कि क्या फॉलो थ्रू करना है अबाउट द वर्क. सो यू कैन स्टार्ट नाउ. ओके. Okay, so now back to the dashboard. For India, that is New Delhi and Assam are available, so you can apply. Now let's talk about the most important part is payout. So the payout rate are usually range between to 8 to 30 USD per hour depending on the projects and your role. So some projects may per task while other pay hourly. Depend करता है आप कहाँ पे apply कर रहे हो. ओके, तो मोस्टली पे आवर ही होता है. सिंस द फ्रीलांसिंग वर्क द पेमेंट्स आर मेड ऑनलाइन, द मोस्टली कॉमन यूज पेमेंट मेथड पेपल ही होता है. ठीक है. सो इफ यू डोंट हैव अ पेपल अकाउंट, सो मेक श्योर टू क्रिएट एंड वेरीफाई रिसीव द पेमेंट्स फॉर द विदाउट डिले. ओके, पेमेंट्स आर यूजुअली मेड मंथली बेसिस, और कुछ कुछ इसमें वीकली होता है. सो आप एक बार ओ थ्रू कर लेना. टेस्ट पास होने के बाद आपको वो लोग मेंशन कर देंगे. So complete remote work, so you can do it from the anywhere. Flexible, you can choose project based on your availability. ट्रस्टेड कंपनी है, आपको डेफिनेटली अप्लाई करना चाहिए. एंड सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है अपॉर्चुनिटीज फॉर लैंग्वेज एक्सपर्ट जो कि रीजनल लैंग्वेजेस में है. Okay, so that's the complete process for applying for the RWS freelancing opportunities. Remember, go to their LinkedIn page and use their official apply link in description. Submit your application and wait for the test mail and qualify the test, and you can start working on real AI training projects. Make sure your PayPal account is ready for the smooth payment. So this is one of the best option for anyone looking to earn online by contributing to AI developments. So thank you for watching this video till the end. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more freelancing opportunities, and most importantly join my Telegram channel, the link in the description, because I regularly share genuine freelancing projects and applications link there. So take action today, apply for RWS and start your journey in the world of AI freelancing. So see you in the next video.